Hi friends, welcome back to Cadable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Umar, and in this short tutorial we will learn what a bill of material or BOM is and why it is important in the industry. So bill of material is a complete list of all the components required to manufacture a product or assembly. It contains important information such as part numbers, descriptions, material, number of quantity, and other manufacturing details. In the industries, bill of material or BOM helps engineers, production teams, and purchasing departments to manage the complete manufacturing process. For example, in this engine assembly, the bill of material provides information about each component such as crankshaft, piston, connecting rods, gudgeon pin, etc. and their number of quantities. For example, if you can see here, the crankshaft quantity is 1, but the connecting rod quantity is 4. Additional columns can also be added such as cost, supplier information, revision number or manufacturing process, depending upon the industry requirement. If you want to learn how to create a bill of material in SolidWorks, I have already created a detailed tutorial where we generate a bill of material from an assembly and customize it according to engineer requirement. You can check that tutorial to learn complete practical process. Here is an important message as some students were approaching me. If you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one session for engineers, students on AutoCAD, SolidWorks, ANSYS, different engineering topics, assignments, and even in final year project. You can reach me through my email and I will be providing my email in the description link. So that's it for this short tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.